partnerships with
Of course.
Loan Factory?
Yeah, of course. They even have a dedicated underwriting team just to do Loan Factory loans, and they also give us special pricing. I think 10 basis point off for loan officers, and Tuan gives it to all of you. And I'm sure Tuan is here now. He can definitely share more about that.
Hi everyone. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late, but I think right now is a great time. The market is right. Rates are dropping a lot, and look like it's gonna stay this low or even lower. So I think it's a good time to refinance for a lot of people to refinance, and it's a good time for all of us. But however, I heard someone discussing about Rocket, and they are buying Redfin and Mr. Cooper. So things gonna be 1 second. Yeah, things gonna be tough for a loan officer because the market had changed a lot. Big lender like Rocket, they go out there and capture a lot of business themselves. And then a lot of real estate company, now they get loan license and they do loan as well. Like Zillow now do loan and they capture all their clients. So the environment is different. And as a loan officer, you have to change. You have to improve. You have to get better and better. Otherwise, there's nothing for you. Consumer, they shop around crazy. So if you know in the environment when consumer they shop around, imagine when everyone is shopping around. Imagine that. If all loan officer they are shopping around, then you can win a lot of clients if you are good. But if you're not good, you get nothing because of competition, right? The strongest, the best one will win and take all, because the consumer shop around a lot more now. So that's why at Loan Factory, we try to become better and better. We have everything better to help you. We have a better platform with everything is better to help you. So the moment you join Loan Factory, you become a better loan officer. You can compete against anyone. You have the best software to help you run your business. You have the best support to help you. We have the large network of 250 lenders to support you, to give you all kinds of products. So let me share with you the screen. Today, I'm going to share with you a lot about Loan Factory. I want you to pay attention. I want you to learn and especially compare, right? Just like consumer, they shopping around. They want to pick the best loan officer, the best company. Then you want to be better. You want to be the best loan officer. And Loan Factory can help you, can get you what you want. And I want you to compare and keep asking me a lot of questions. I want you to ask a lot of questions, okay? So at loanfactory.com, you can see that we have, this is our main homepage. And this website is very functional. It does the job for the owner, for me. And we're gonna build a website like this to help you so that you can win clients too. So we want functional website. We don't want pretty website that does nothing, right? So the website, first of all, you can see the biggest feature here is the $1,000 best price guarantee. So if we cannot beat any of the other offer, you will receive $1,000. So we encourage the consumer to shop around. We want the consumer to if you look at the term and condition here, the consumer can upload the LE here. And there's 3 simple steps. They upload the LE that they get from another lender, another loan officer. They upload it here. We will tell them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, we tell them to close the loan and send us the CD, and then we can pay them $1,000. So it's very easy, simple program, and we hope that we can help the borrower to shop around and get better rate. And if you are with Loan Factory, you can promote this program crazy. Imagine you blasting the internet, the social media, that you claim that you have the best pricing, otherwise you pay the borrower $1,000. A lot of borrowers will notice this. They will apply with, right? They will notice this, they will apply with you.
Great, cool.
Or they will reach out to you and find out why and how. So you get the attention of the consumer, and they will reach out to you so that you can have a chance to prove to them that you have the best possible rate. This program, we honor fixed rate, conventional conforming, FHA and VA. And then we also exclude offer from builder preferred lender and credit union because they have relationship. They are the seller themselves. So that's why we don't want to offer, we don't want to compete against builder. But for fixed rate conforming loan and FHA VA loan, we want to challenge consumer to shop around. Okay? Any question about this $1,000? Basically, when you promote it, and in case that we lose money, then the company will pay. Okay? We only ask that you are willing to lower your compensation to help the consumer to compete. So let's say if we get a very competitive offer and you have to lower your compensation to $400, we still have to do it. But most of the time, the customer don't shop around. They don't shop around, and even if they shop around, we get that client because we can beat the other lender or broker easily. And I'm going to show you why I say that we have the better pricing. So here's our pricing here, right? Here's our pricing engine. And this is for the consumer. They can check the rate themselves. So they can click here to check the rate. And you can see that the consumer, just 1 second. They can check, they can enter the income. They can enter the income. And when they enter the income, they can see if they qualify for special program. So let me change it a little bit. Let's do a purchase. Let's do a purchase. And if the borrower income is $230K in Northern California, they get a special rate discount. But let's go with no discount. Let's see what it looks like. So the best rate right now is 6% with no point. And this is the rate, this is the best rate among 26 lenders. So if you expand it, you can see the ranking of all lenders. This is our pricing engine. And it shows the rate and the point of credit for the consumer. Okay. And when the consumer, they see this, they love us because we shop around among so many lenders. Okay. So when they see this, they like it. I'm going to share with you this. In case the borrower credit score is low, like 650, you can see that the rate jumped to 6.625. right? However, if you enter the income of 230,000, you get the discount. And check out the rate. The rate now dropped to around 5.875. So the rate dropped 0.75% just because you enter the income, and the income is low enough to help the borrower get lower rate. So many loan officers out there don't even know that lower income can get better rate, and therefore they don't price correctly. And because of that, imagine you use this software, this pricing engine, it helps you win the client better, right? And there's so many problems with loan officer out there. Loan officer out there, they don't use the technology, they don't use pricing engine, and they don't shop around. And even if they shop around, they only have 3 or 4 lenders that they work with. They don't work with so many lenders. So because of those limitations, our pricing is always better than other loan officers, other brokers. We shop around, and it's natural. It takes only 20 seconds, 30 seconds to see the best rate for our client. So easy. And then you can send your loan to this lender if you want to. You can see the ranking, right? There's not much difference among the top 3 or 4 lenders. So you can send loan to any of these lenders. The pricing engine is very powerful. It helps you find out the best possible rate, which lender, and then you can send the loan to that lender. Hi, Makati. Kathy?
Hi, Tuan, so if we picked up this 5.875, how much can we expect to make?
Good question.
Yeah.
So if you click on the lender name here, you can see the breakdown. And you can see the broker compensation here is 1%, $4,000. And I will go to the detail how much you can make later. But if you click on the lender name, you will see the breakdown. Okay? It shows all the adjustment, all the number been deducted. And at the end, the borrower will get this much, or they have to pay this much. So I want you to play around because it's pretty cool. You can compare a normal rate with a buy down rate. You know, the borrower may ask you the question, what if I want to buy down? What would be the rate? What would be the cost? So you can click on these two and click on compare. You can see the borrower can buy down from 5.875 to 5.5, but then the saving is almost $95, and they will break even after 5 years and 4 months. They will save this much. So you can compare the two options. This is to compare the buy down, right? But you can also compare with a 20-year fixed versus 30-year fixed. And the consumer can save a lot. Like for example here, borrower say $204,000. Okay, they save a lot of money. And imagine you do this and share that to your client. So 2 days ago, I win a customer. His rate is 6.125%. He called me and went to refinance. So I quote the rate for 30 years, the rate is not good. I quote for 20 years, the rate is so much better. He saw that he saved a lot of money. So he applied, he do it. So that is important to advise client with different options, with the buy down, with the 20 years, the 15 years, share with them and help them. That is how a good loan officer will do to help their clients. You can also compare a 30 years with conventional to a FHA loan. You can change it from conventional to FHA and quote rate and compare. Now you can compare conventional versus a never check, conventional never check. So there's a lot of way you can do with our pricing engine. You can also share the scenario with your client. You can, let's say the borrower wants 5% rate. You can go in here and create a rate alert and enter the client name and phone email. That's it. So rate alert is the most powerful tool to help you grow your business, especially during the refinance. Look at this. The consumer, if you want to win the consumer, you have to understand them, right? Consumer, they want to save money. They want to have the best possible rate. And they have been suffering in the last 3.5 years. They want to refinance. They want to save money. But rate didn't drop at all. And even if, you know, it took them a long time already. They've been monitoring the rate. And some of them got tired. And rate never dropped. It's been 3.5 years. So they kind of give up. And then some other, they want to refinance. They want to know the rate. But they know that rate is not accurate. But imagine you give them accurate rate and you monitor the rate for them so that they don't miss the chance to refinance. If rate drop, our rate alert will notify them, notify you so that you can do the loan. So our rate alert is really powerful and helpful. It helped me every day, getting a lot of clients every day. And I recommend you to use it. So we have rate alert feature that most people don't have. It's really cool. It's really cool. Let me share with you. Right now I have like 20,000 rate alert running every day. That's how I have so many clients, because on any given time, some clients have rate alert hit, they reach out to me or they will fill out the application. So rate alert right here. You can see we have 13,000 total alert here and 12,000 alert here. And in the money today, there's 103 users have rate alert hit. Let's compare this. Lee? Hello, Lee.
Hey there. Thank you for the call. So I had a couple of questions. The calculator that we're looking at right now, is this also integrated into our personal websites, or is this separate and used for just the loan officers? That's my first question.
Whatever you see here, you can have it. Basically, even the main website, we build a website for you. So
Okay.
for example, like here, you can see a lot. We promote local loan officer to this borrower. And if you click on the borrower, the loan officer profile, I have to log out. I'm sorry. You can see the borrower, the loan officer have a domain name. And go to this domain name.
All right.
So let's go to the loan officer website.
Okay.
What happened? So here is his website.
Okay.
My internet a little bit slow. So on this website, you can see you can promote $1,000 best price guarantee. You have pricing engine. You can have everything here. You can see the review. You can see so much. So we built a website for you, and we even have a mobile app too. The mobile app belongs to you. I mean, your realtor can use it. Your client can use it. We keep them with you. So you can see the domain here has information on this QR code.
So thank you for showing me this. It still doesn't have the same interface that loanfactory.com has, where you see the limbs.
You do.
Oh,
It's the
you
same
do
way.
after you do that, you put that information in.
Yeah. If you,
Oh, I
if you
see.
run the
I see.
pricing, if
Okay.
you run the pricing, it's the same.
It'll be the same. Okay, so they will, the consumer would, I see what you're saying. The consumer would actually see the lenders as well.
Yes. No, it's up to you. Like for him, he hides it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. You can hide some program.
Yeah,
You can
that's what I
hide.
mean. Okay,
You can hide the lender name. You can customize your pricing engine.
got it. Okay, the second question, thank you. The second question, the pricing that you show for the highest savings, is that usually 100 basis points?
Yes, I set it to 1% for, but then you at the loan officer, you set your own compensation.
So I can
You can-
change it if I want to.
Yes, you can change it if you want to.
Okay. The third question, going back to the guarantee, I don't know if I caught it on the restrictions. Jumbo loans, does it apply on jumbo?
No, doesn't apply with jumbo. We cannot compete with the bank on jumbo loan. So
Okay.
we don't want to compete and we exclude the jumbo loan.
Got it. Okay. Hey, thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Adam. Hello, Adam.
Yeah,
Yes.
Juan, I have a question on the guarantee as well. When you were originally explaining that, you indicated that if they find a lower loan, they have to send in the CD to be
Yes.
compensated, but that assumes that they already closed somewhere else. So,
Yes.
so how is our comp lowered to 400? Are you saying that we lower it to our comp of $400 to compete with another loan?
Yes. It
So it never
needed.
gets to the point where they close somewhere else and send in the CD then.
Yeah. When we compete. When we
Okay, I
compete.
get it now. It was the timing that I was trying to
Yeah.
figure out.
Yeah, only if we cannot compete, then we tell them to close the loan somewhere else and show us the CD. Because we don't want them to lie to us to get $1,000. So
Right,
if they
that's
can
based on
actually close the loan with that term, then we pay them $1,000 and the company will
But
pay. We don't have to pay.
We're competing on the basis of the LE.
We compete on the basis of the loan estimate.
Correct. The LE.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So now you see our pricing engine, but we have more than that. We have a non-QM pricing engine as well. We have both. And let me share with you. We even help you determine if the loan is conforming or not. So let's say the property value is this, and the loan amount is 900,000. So we know this is high balance because this is in Santa Clara County. This is high balance. So you click on it, you know the standard loan limit for FHA. This is an FHA loan. So you can change it to conventional, and you can see the loan limit here, right? Conforming loan limit in this area, in this zip code, this county is 806. High balance limit is $1.2 million. So the 2 unit is different, 3 units is different, and 4 unit is different. So we do this to help you so that you don't make mistake. A lot of people make mistake on this. They don't remember, they don't know what to do. We do it automatically for you. So we know that it's high balance. We track everything automatically for you. So and then you can use our the no income pricing engine. And this is really good because we have different loan program here, all kind of program, no ratio, no income check. We have to down more if we want that program. We have to have better credit score. So champion, we have champion here. So non-QM pricing
What are those
engine.
numbers? What are those numbers underneath the LO's names? Numbers of
Can you
loans?
can you say that again?
Yeah, I see under your picture, I see 5,738 and then other numbers under LOs. What is that representing?
What number here? I'm sorry.
Under your picture, 5,758.
That's mine.
Five-star
That's
review.
mine.
So was those reviews?
Yeah, those are the review, 5-star review.
Okay.
You can click on it, you can see the review. And you get, at Loan Factory, we help loan officer obtain 5-star review.
Okay.
We help you get the Google Business Profile, and
Yeah,
every loan
yeah.
that you close, the processor will ask the review for you. And they
Okay.
get bonus if they do a good job and can get 5-star review for you. So this is the reason why we build a reputation. We want loan officers to have reputation so that you can get new client, because out of the new client, they look at your past client review. They look at the review, Google review particularly. So if you don't have a good Google review, you will be suffering, because consumer, they love to work with someone they trust. And if they look at the review, they cannot see your review, or you only have a few review, or if you have bad review, you don't get the clients. So at Loan Factory, you can see most people get 5-star review, perfect 5-star review. And this is the reason. The reason is because we do a good job. We help make sure the client always happy. And soon I will share with you the reason why all of our clients are happy with us. I will share with you the reason why. Right? Hello, Mike.
Hello, Tuan. Appreciate you sharing everything. I have quite a few questions, so maybe I'll ask one or two and I'll save my questions for the end.
Maybe you can wait until the
Perfect.
end.
I'll just wait for the end then.
Yeah, because we have so much more to cover.
No problem.
And I'm pretty sure I will cover some of your questions.
Perfect.
Okay. So there's a few more that I forgot to share with you. You can compare different rate and share to your client. And I normally take picture and share with them on the text message. Share the picture or share the link. We have the link here. We have the link on the bottom. That's how we share. We want our consumer to shop around, to check the rate. And let me share with you this one. So at Loan Factory, we have the best technology platform. So far, you see our pricing engine, right? I'm going to show you our LOS. You see our POS. We're going to show you our CRM. And then also you can download our mobile app. I recommend you to download it and check it out. We are pushing to help all our clients to get a loan, get their mortgage over the app. We want to be an Uber mortgage. The consumer can get the loan, get the mortgage through the app. They don't have to use computer, email, phone, text. It's too complicated, too confusing. Everything can be done over an app, Loan Factory app. Okay. So that's why we are very proud that we have the best system out there. And the whole thing is free to you. We don't charge you any monthly fee, and you do not need to buy any other software out there. You don't need to buy a Ride or Lending Pad or Loan Shifter. We have everything for you. And we have training as well. Let me log into the system. I will show you. So the moment you log in, you see our marketplace. And our marketplace is really cool. You can see we have 256 lenders. Many of them are live to talk to you. So if you have any question, you can click on it and talk to the AE live. You click on it, it will launch the meeting. You can talk to the AE. Okay? So not only that, but you can view the rate sheet. You can view all information about this lender. All information about this lender. And just 1 second, I want you to, just give me 1 minute break. Let me get a drink, but you can take a look. So on the pricing engine, we have two channels, correspondent and wholesale. If you select correspondent, you can see these many states that we have lending license. And you can see these are the lender that you are working with for the correspondent channel. You can see how many lender we work with. You can select any lender. You can search for a lender. You can select for a product. Let's say private loan. If you want to do private loan, we have 94 lenders. If you select commercial, you can see we have 65 commercial lender. You can do home equity line. We have 87 lender. So we have all kind of lender. Mobile home loan, we have 5 lenders. So at Loan Factory, good thing is you never say no to your client. We do loan in 48 states. We have 256 lenders. We do all types of loans. You never have to say no to your clients. And even better, right? If you have a question for this lender, you can go in and say, email this lender a scenario. You can click here and write your scenario, and then you can email all of them. You can see that we have land or vacant lot. So we have 19 lenders that can do land. And you can email all of them if you have a scenario about land. And when you email the scenario, you can see that loan officer email, and the lender will get back quickly. You see this? The lender will get back to you.
Juan, I have a question.
Yes.
Do you have one-time close construction loans?
Yes.
And
Click
who are
and
those
close.
with?
Click and close.
Sorry?
I think it's click and close. The lender.
Okay, and are we compensated at the close of the loan or at the close of the interim financing?
I've never done this myself, so I'm not sure. But click and close is the lender that can help you. And I will share with you that on the Loan Factory tab here, you can see we have live support from the support specialist, from the underwriter, and from our coach, so that you can get help. Loan officer can get help by going to our marketplace and ask questions. We have support specialists to help you, underwriter, and the coach to help you. Okay. Hi, Sirisha.
Hi. You mentioned our compensation is 1%. Is it true?
No, it's my compensation. Everyone have different compensation. And let me go
So
back.
what we supposed to choose? Is it lender paid?
Yeah, I will get to that soon. Just hold on. If you ask a question that's not related to what I just talked about, please hold off, because I will talk about it soon. Okay? So, training. I want to show you the training. If you go to the event right here, you can see all the training right here. Weekly sales call in soon. We have monthly company meeting. We have live training from Rocket. We have LO development series. We have a lot of training, equity line, equity select here. So we have a lot of training almost every day. And you can go to the complete one to see all the training that completed, and then you can watch it.
So may I ask a question about Rocket?
Yes.
Okay, you were in Dallas, I guess it was last week, at a dinner or something with them. So what development? I mean, what's the relationship developing with Rocket, if you don't mind?
I don't understand your question because they are a lender. We are working with them. If we have loan, we submit to them.
So it's just a transactional relationship.
We are one of the biggest broker with them. So they give us many perks. They told me they have 15 underwriter dedicated to our company. They give us 10 basis points better on every loan. They give us no EPO policy. No EPO. They help us, they allow us to pull credit report on their website for free. Free credit report. And
If
they
we
help
close,
us
if we
trade-
close with them, right?
I'm sorry?
If we close with Rocket,
No, you pull the credit, it's free.
even though it doesn't go to Rocket,
It has to go to Rocket.
that's what I'm saying. It has to
You
go to
asked
Rocket.
about closing. If you close the loan, I know you don't have to close the loan. You send the loan to them, you pull the credit. Free.
Okay, but if we go to Lone Store or VIP or SunWest, that doesn't apply.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Thank you. Yeah. So they also help us improve the credit score too. They call that credit upgrade. They will help increase the credit score for your client, and they don't charge anything. So here is all the training that we have. You can filter by event type too, recruiting, training, loan officer. You can see the training. Okay, let me go back here. Marketing support. If you need help with marketing, we have a team to help you, and it's free. So if you need to create a customized image, you need to edit a video, you need to run ads, then it's free. Our marketing team can help you. Imagine you have a whole team of marketing who stand by to help you. Anything you need, you tell them, they help you. We have underwriting support, which we have 5 in-house underwriter who are working to help you. If you need help, underwrite a loan or structure the loan, they can help you. We provide the best loan officer support. You can see the live support on our pricing on our marketplace, right? So it's live support. Any question you have, you go there and ask them. You save a lot of money every month on the software fee, right? We give you everything for free. And the commission, you can earn 100% minus a flat fee of $5.95. So we are a flat fee model. You decide on the compensation. I think Sirisha asked this question earlier. So when you have a loan, you will decide how much you want to make. You can decide to make 2% or 2.5% or 0.5%. It's up to you. The higher the compensation you want, the higher the rate. So if you charge high rate, your rate is not competitive. And, yeah, let me finish it. I'm almost done. So the commission, we set it all lender to 2.5. 2.5 all lender. That is for our wholesale. But you can switch to borrow pay and lower your compensation to get better rate to compete. And if you send a loan to our correspondent channel, you can charge the borrower processing fee. You can vary your compensation, and you don't have to disclose your fee. So correspondent channel is the best channel to do refinance, no point, no cost, because we can do no cost, and borrower doesn't have to bring in any money if they want to refinance, no point, no cost. And you can vary your comp from 0 to 2.5 if you want to. Sarita, did I answer your question?
If it is correspondent loans, is it closing charges more, or is it going to be same? What about closing cost per
Yeah,
correspondence?
everything the same. The correspondent and the wholesale, everything the same. The rate are the same. The cost to you are the same. Everything is the same.
Okay. If I want to charge only 1% of compensation, I cannot do wholesale mortgage.
If you want to what? I'm sorry.
If I want to charge 1% compensation,
Hmm?
I cannot do wholesale lending.
You can do wholesale. You can use borrow pay.
Yeah, but borrower paid with the big loans, we will get the problem.
Yeah,
Means,
for refinance, no closing cost. It's
yeah,
impossible.
closing cost will be more if I select the borrower paid.
No, when you do borrow pay, you the borrower have to bring in money to pay you. That's the problem.
Okay.
And some borrower doesn't want to bring in money. But you can do borrow pay if you want to charge 1%. You can do borrow pay, or you can send the loan to a correspondent channel. That's the only two option.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna explain to you later. Look like you are still new. That's why you don't understand this a lot. Hi, Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Jerry, we cannot hear you. Jerry?
Can I jump in real quick, Duan?
Yes.
So on that note, I have experience in real estate. I've been selling real estate as a broker for 17 years, getting into loans right now. When I have a very good general idea of how loans work, but some of the things we're talking about right now are a little above my head. So what I'm trying to figure out, like, is there internal training, maybe videos or processes on how exactly you can structure this compensation and kind of move it around different ways and play around with it?
Yeah, very easy, very easy. And
Perfect.
I can show that to you.
Perfect.
I can show that to you soon.
Perfect.
Yeah, I can show that to you.
Thank you.
And for a relo like you, real estate and loan officer together, Loan Factory is the best place for you because the technology, the support will make your life so easy. You do very little. At Loan Factory,
I'm in the same boat with Mike.
bring the loan. We want you to bring the loan. Everything else we will handle for you, so that you can be free.
Yes.
And that should be for everyone. All loan officers should be free from the paperwork, so that you can be out there in front of the client, building network, building relationship, and doing marketing, bringing a lot of loans. That's the way it should be.
Perfect. I'm excited.
I'm going to show you more and more. For the commission, you can be either 1099 or W-2. If you are 1099, if you are licensed and want to do business in the W-2 state, you have to be W-2. So there are a few states you have to be W-2, like Nevada, like Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Massachusetts. So there's a few states that you have to be W-2. And if you want to be 1099, stay away from those states. Okay? Lead, we starting Monday. We will have 30. We are buying Trigger Lead. And Trigger Lead.
Oh, okay.
And we're gonna have like 3,500 lead for the loan officer to buy. If you don't, the price is gonna be really cheap, like $2.50 each. But if you want it for free, you can do that. We will split the commission 50-50.
How are they acquired? How are they qualified?
It's a Trigger Lead.
Sorry?
We will buy Trigger Lead. The company will buy Trigger Lead and share that with you.
No, I understand that you're buying leads, but my question was, how are the leads qualified?
You
The
will
quality of the lead.
You will qualify them. You will call them to qualify them.
Okay, how are they generated in the first place then?
You know what Trigger Lead?
Google Sheets or?
You don't treat the lead.
And most of the leads that I've gotten are no good, and that's why I'm asking.
Hey, Adam, do you know what you trigger lead?
Okay.
You have to know why you trigger lead, then we can continue to talk. And then we also generate a lot of lead on I have to log in to share with you. We buy a lot of lead from we buy lead, and we also let me see, where is it? Facebook lead right here. So we run in some lead. You can go in and choose if you want company lead, if you want Facebook lead, if you want trigger lead. Then let's say if you want trigger lead, you can choose if you want to pay for it or free lead. You can choose to stay and how many lead per day you want to have. You can
That's
do that.
really good.
Yeah. So this is the lead feature. You can have lead. Let's see what else.
Wait, you skipped over processing. I had a question here.
Processing is $500 per loan.
Doesn't matter if it's correspondent, broker, or non-QM. Same
Correct.
thing.
Correct.
All right.
At Loan Factory, everything the same. Like wholesale and correspondent, we keep everything the same. The rate are the same, the costs are the same. Everything is simple.
Getting better and better. Thank you.
Yeah, getting better and better. Monthly fee as well.
So it's a $595 flat, processing
Yes.
$500 if done
Yes.
in-house. Okay.
And even better, if in case of competitive situation, or you have to lower the loan amount.
Sure.
I mean, if the loan amount is so small, then you might not make enough money to pay the company, right? Let's say if the commission on the loan is low, let's say $1,500 total. We are not gonna make you pay us $10.95 and you keep only $305. $105, yeah. We will split the commission 50-50. So if you are competing against someone and you have to lower your compensation to $1,500, then the company will split 50-50 with you. So that's how we help loan officers to compete. And if you have a small loan, commission is small, that's fine. We help the client. We share the cost. We share the commission. We don't take
That's what I
everything.
thought. It couldn't get any better. It did.
It's getting better and better, and you will hear more. You will hear better and better. So let me share with you better and better. But before you hear better thing, I want to share with you the loan process, right? So here is the login menu. On top here, you can see the dashboard. You can see the dashboard, but don't worry about the dashboard. The pricing engine, you see that you saw that already. The lead, we have 3 leads to work with: leads pipeline, prospect pipeline, and loans pipeline. So you see 3 pipelines right here on the top. On the leads pipeline, you can see where the lead source here, where does it come from? So we are running ads, and we get a lot of lead from the ads. And we will share with our loan officer. We will send everyone a text message. Whoever receives it first, we get it. But we are changing it. We have a mobile app. It's getting better now. We have a mobile app that loan officer like you can do everything on the mobile app. You don't have to stay in front of the computer anymore. You can manage your pipeline. You can work on the mobile app, everything. Okay. And the consumer, they can apply for the mortgage. They can do everything on the mobile app as well. So we are trying to become an Uber of mortgage, where consumer can get their mortgage through the app. And we also try to match consumer to loan officer using mobile app. So we are running a lot of ads, and if we have lead, we send it straight to you. So the way it is we require you to download and use our Zoom phone. So when we have Zoom phone, Zoom, you know Zoom, right? Zoom phone.
Oh, Zoom.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the phone called Zoom phone. So when we get lead, like Facebook lead like this, we will send it to, we will not leave it here. We will send it automatically to the loan officer. We will notify a few of you, 5, 10 of you. And whoever accepts it first will get the lead. And when you accept it, you can tap on the button to call or text the lead right away. And you can use the app to run the pricing and share the result to the client right away as well. Everything happens on the mobile app, on the phone. And you can accept the lead and work with the lead right away.
Fantastic.
So that is the technology that we are talking about, right? We get lead, we share with you. And on trigger lead, every morning we get 3,500 lead. We will distribute it to you, depending on how many lead you want. All you need to do is you use our mobile app. You see notification, hey, 30 lead arrived. You see the list of lead. You tap on it, you make phone call. So you can make phone call. I'm not sure if you can see it's right here. You can see the 2 buttons, text and call. You see the lead right here. So yeah, you can even here, you can call and text right here too. So if you have lead, you can call and text them on our website or on our mobile app. So this is the lead pipeline, right? There's a prospect pipeline as well. And here's the loan pipeline. So you manage these clients. And let's say if you have a, let me see. If you have a new loan, you can go to click a new prospect right here, right? Click. You can manually fill out a new application, or you can use AI to fill out the application. If you select AI to fill out the application, you can drag the document in here. The driver license, tax return, pay stub, bank statement, W-2. You drag everything in here. AI will read all of that and fill out the application for the borrower, for you. You don't have to do it. And AI can also calculate DTI for you.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And for you, you can see the long application, but the borrower see a short application. So all of our clients, they fill out the application themselves.
What about income for self-employed?
Yeah, we calculate that too.
Okay.
Yeah. And so the borrower, when they fill out application, you tell, okay, here's the scenario. When you join Loan Factory, we create a website for you. It will be under your domain name. You can go to GoDaddy and purchase the domain name. You own that domain name. Mm-hmm. You tell the client, hey, go to @aldenmccall.com to fill out the application. So they go there, they check the rate, they fill out application. So let's say like Hong Kong. The client can go here, check the rate, and fill out the application. Remember the technology. We want our client to do everything themselves as much as possible. But then the borrower is in control of the process. They love to do things themselves, right? As long as they can control the process, they will like it. So just one second. I'm writing some note. I'm sorry. So the client, they can go to your website, they run pricing, right? They see the rate, They see the rate, they like it, they click and apply, right? They click and apply. And when they click and apply, they will go through the process like, oh, this is a refinance rate in term. This is my email. You know, they enter the email, they create a password. We create an account for them so that they can come back and complete it later. They can upload more document later. So they will finish the application, and when they finish the application, of course, they can drag in the document. AI can fill out application for them. And then on the liability page, they can decide if they want us to put that number in the do not call. That way, there will be no trigger lead. There's no trigger lead. So most of our clients, we are not worried about trigger lead. Okay. And if you want, you can turn on the feature to allow your client to pull the credit report themselves. They will pay for it themselves. You don't have to pay for it. You know, we allow them to the control. And when they finish the application, when they start filling out the application, our system will send you a text message to let you know that, hey, Mike, there's a client, Kevin Smith, he applying. That way you log in, you know where is the client filling, where they are with the application, and then you can help them. You can call them and say, hey, Mike, hey, Kevin, I saw you filling out the application right now. You have any question for me? Are you getting stuck or something? You know, you can handhold them and help them finish the application.
Nice.
So they notify you. And the client will love it because you are standing by and help them finish the application. When they finish the application and upload document, this is what you will do. Sorry, I cannot show you the actual production website because for privacy reason, I cannot allow you to see the customer name. But I'm going to show you using a sandbox server. So when the borrower fill out the application, you go to your prospect pipeline. You can see all of your prospect, which prospect is the same thing as application. If they fill out the application, it's in here, it's under prospect. And you can see the progress, 100% complete or only 8% complete. If they are not completed, you can click on it to see where they are with the application. And they're on the second page. They got stuck somewhere here. So you can call and help them finish the application. Okay? And when the application is completed, you can see that they upload document for you. You can go to the to-do here. You can see if they upload any document, file uploaded here. And then you can review. You can clear these to-do. Okay? And when you review the application, you review the document, everything look good, then you will run the pricing to pick the lender for your client. You can pick the lender for your client. Something not good. This is not a real server. It says we might have problem. So you run the pricing. You pick the lender for your client, right? The best lender if possible. And then the next step is to submit the loan to the lender, right? The next step is submit the loan to the lender. So you go here to action and convert to loan. There's a lot of action that you can do. You can view the MISMO 3.4. You can change the prospect type. Sometimes they make a mistake. It's a purchase and they do pre-approval and vice versa. Or refinance. So you can change the prospect type. You can export or import MISMO 3.4. You can invite borrower to complete the application. You can clone the application. You can view all the You can invite borrower to complete the application. You can assign the owner. You can view conversation history, all of the email, text message. You can capture. We capture everything. We view all the audit log. Any changes, we capture everything. We have a follow-up system to help you follow up. You can clone the application. If the borrower have 2 or 3 applications, you can clone it to the. It help you clone it. Let me see. Just 1 second. I'm trying to write some note. So let's say everything ready, you will convert it to a loan, right? You can convert to a loan. And when you convert it to a loan, that means this is ready to be submitted to the lender. You need to decide whether you want correspondent or wholesale. This is really important. If you select wholesale, then you have to select a lender. Then you also write a reason why you want to choose this lender. And then you select the compensation. You want lender pay or borrower pay. If it's lender pay, you got stuck at 250. You cannot change it. That's why we don't allow you to change it. This is important for all loan officers. But if you want to change your compensation, you can select borrower pay and you can enter the borrower pay in here. You can edit it. You can enter the borrower pay amount. Okay, so this is important. You can switch between lender pay or borrower pay. Lender pay you cannot change. Borrower pay you can change it. But if you select correspondent, then everything's set up for you. The compensation, of course, you can change it. So this is how you will indicate whether you want to send loan to correspondent or wholesale, the lender name, the compensation, and then the processor will take over. The processor will take over. The loan is ready to go. You give them instruction, what lender, what channel, what is your compensation and all that. They will submit the loan to the lender for you. They will issue disclosure. They will do everything and bring the loan to fund it for you. And when the loan is approved by the lender, the processor will call you and go over the initial condition with you. You have to make sure you and the processor are on the same page. That's it. And they will take care of it. They will take care of everything to clear all the conditions. So that is the loan process. You don't have to do anything until the loan is funded. And even after the loan is funded, you don't need to do anything for the compliance because we take care of it for you. All you need to do is to request commission after the loan is funded. So the process is very simple. The borrower will do most of the work for you. The processor will do most of the work for you. You do very little. So let me repeat the whole process again. The borrower go to your website, check the rate, apply, upload documents. You will go in and review the application and document. You run pricing. You pick the lender. You call the borrower up. You create rate alert, and then you call the borrower and say, "Hey, I create a rate alert for you." Every morning, you will receive the rate on your email. Please check your email. And if you like the rate, you can call me. I can lock the rate for you. If you don't like the rate, we can wait. But we cannot wait too long because this is a purchase. We have 30 days to close. But make sure you check the rate and call me if you have any question or if you want to lock the rate. So you pass the responsibility to monitor the rate to your client, and they will be the one that tell you to lock the rate. You will convert the loan the prospect to the loan, the borrower, the processor will take over and bring it all the way to fund it for you. So you do very little in the middle, very little. So any question about the loan process? Anyone have question about the loan process? Hi, Tree.
Yes, can I ask two questions? The
Yes.
first question is I received the prospective test to my phone or email, and then I click right away, or sometime 1 minute. For example, 1 minute, 2 minutes, I miss, it's okay. Somebody will take it. But sometimes I take it right away. Still, I miss
Someone
that.
faster than you. Another loan officer might be faster, and that's why. I'm sorry. But we
And
will
then-
get better. We will get better next time. We will send only to 5 or 10 people. So that way your chance to get the lead is easier.
And when I click, and then it's asked to log into the Loan Factory mobile app, and sometimes I log it in, I don't see anything. So it means that somebody took that respect already, right?
Yeah. Make
Oh.
sure you have the mobile app always log in. That
Yeah,
way you
it's
don't
on
have
way
to-
login.
Yeah.
It's on way login, but when I click, it still asks me to log in again.
Email me. I will take a look at it. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, Cliff.
Okay.
Hello, Cliff. Cliff Townsend. Hello, Cliff.
Coming from me, Craig, or no?
Oh, hi, Craig. Yeah, you can go ahead, Craig. I'm sorry, Craig.
Yeah, real quickly, I know a lot of people are looking to get leads from the system. That's okay, but I don't think we as loan officers need to rely on the lead system to generate business. We have a phone book of people. Every phone book has 26 letters in it. Go through all those letters and start looking at who you haven't reached in the last 6 months and build your own. But by putting it inside the rate alert is magic in what you can do. So the real magic here is the tools that we have. The rate alert is a powerful tool. I'm just learning it myself. I'm not as good as I should be, but I tell you, I wish I had this years ago. I would have made millions of dollars. Seriously. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Craig.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So I was going back to when you talked earlier about the leads, and you said they go out to like 5 or 10 people. How are those 5 or 10 people selected? Is it like round robin?
Right now, we try to send to as many loan officers as possible. It's based on the state, and in the future, it might be based on the language as well. But we are trying to improve this process. Right now, I'm sorry if you don't get the lead, but we are getting a lot more lead for our loan officer. We are increasing our budget so that we have more lead, but there's nothing we can do if you don't get the lead. I'm sorry.
Are there any fees associated with joining Loan Factory? Or so what fees are associated?
Only $100 one-time fee. And we will pay for the sponsorship fee up to 3 states.
So you pay for sponsorship to 3 states?
Yes, up to 3
And so
states.
to join when you first come on board, like if I wanted to come on board today or next week, you would have to send you on to pay $100 for, I guess, admin work, processing, whatever it is.
Yes, only $100 one-time fee.
Okay, and 3 states included. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Hi, Adam.
Do you know
Yeah,
how to
back
do
to-
the camera here?
Just 1 second. Hi, Adam.
Yes, sir. Back to the processing. Do the processors handle the disclosures?
Yes,
Also,
everything. Yes. Getting better and better. Yeah.
I'm just looking for possible exclusions to everything. I'm not finding any.
Yeah, you will see. I want you to ask a lot of questions. Any concern that you have, you can ask me. Hey, Marco.
Hi, Tuan. How you doing?
Good, good, good.
So going back to the leads, how much are you guys charging per lead?
Right now, we give it for free, but the commission will be split 50-50. We are working on a feature called wallet. Here, you can see it here. Let me show it to you. We have a wallet feature. So I think it should be working next week. And when it's working, we will allow you to buy through your lead. And
Okay.
if you put money in here, we will charge, let's say, $2.50 each. One lead, $2.50. So every morning, 8 a.m., we will send you a notification when we send you the lead. You go to your pipeline, you open up the lead page, you see everything show up. And I recommend you to open up using your cell phone so that you can tap on the lead and make phone call. We also require you to sign up for Zoom phone. We plan to charge you only $12 per month.
Would you spell that?
Zoom. You're a Zoom meeting. You heard about Zoom, right? Zoom. Meeting.
Yeah,
Zoom
I didn't
meeting.
know they had a phone though.
They have Zoom phone now. Very good. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's getting better and better. $12 only.
Yes, it is.
And
It's like a dialer, right?
yeah, it's like your cell phone.
Mhm.
But we will capture all history, all content, all conversation. We recorded it. You can watch, you can hear it again, all that.
That's how
and
much?
then it's saved to the transaction too. Yeah,
In the charge is what?
$12 per month.
Okay, so every lead will be $250 starting next week. $2.50.
Yeah, sometime next week it should be available.
Okay.
And so here's the wallet. It's even better. You can use let's say you close one loan. You can put the commission money in here and use that money to buy lead. That way your income will be less.
Oh, right.
Help you save money, save the income. And especially if you are W2. WLO, you cannot deduct. But here we help you. We allow you to use the commission income to reduce your income, to spend on eligible expense.
So it's pre-tax.
Yeah.
Pre-tax expense.
Lead purchase. Later on, if you want to run ads, we allow you to do that. If you want to buy a computer or iPhone, we allow that. If you want to pay for your licensing fee and all that, we allow that. Your CE, continuing education, we allow that. So we will roll it out to help loan officer more and more.
Thank you. Thank you for answering that.
Yes.
Come on, the same concept as adding the commission to pay for the leads. Where I am right now, we have the broker offers an American Express or Visa. Do you offer something like that?
We have RAM, which is similar. So we are talking to one provider, thinking about turning this wallet into a credit card. So we are working on that. And so let me continue to share with you a few more features. Just hold on a little bit. So the rate alert here is the best feature to help me win so many clients. I have around 25,000 rate alert running. So today alone, I have 103 loan officer. 103 alert with rate hit. So we are calling them to ask them to refinance. So rate alert, during the loan process, we create a rate alert for them, right? Every day, it monitors the rate. But the moment we lock the rate, we disable the rate alert so that they don't have to pay attention anymore about rate
That's
alert.
automated?
Automated.
Oh, fantastic.
We turn it off automatically. And then 4.5 months after the loan is funded, we turn it on automatically with a lower rate.
Nice.
So let's say they lock the rate at 6.5. 4.5 months later, we turn it on and set the new target rate at 6.25, lower, no point, no cost.
Refi.
So that's how I have so many alerts running at the same time, running. And every day, someone will have their target hit. Then we will email them, we email you so that we can work together on the refinance. So this is the best feature that we have.
Amazing.
Okay? And you can utilize it. Why not? It's the best feature. On commission request, you can request for commission. Ticket, if you have any question, you can create a ticket for people to answer you. We have 24 departments. We have a feature called referral partners, where you can build up your referral partner and you can build a relationship with them. You can keep note, you can send them report. We keep track of all the referral back and forth. So, and this is really cool here. You heard about HomeBot, right?
Yes.
You heard about My Home IQ, right?
Yes.
So we launched something similar. We call that Loan Factory IQ. Loan Factory IQ. So if you want to use this, it costs you almost $200 per month. Loan Factory will give it to you for free.
Wow.
And the limit is very high, 1,000 report, 1,000 homeowner.
Wow.
So, and then you can share that to all your realtor too. They don't have to pay.
That's amazing.
Yep. You can click on the report here and you can see what happened. You can click on the report to see the report. So here's the report. It's similar to HomeBot, where people see home loan, home estimate, equity, their current payment, early payoff option, refinance option, purchasing power, and all that. And we are adding the rate alert in here too.
Wow.
It's better than HomeBot because HomeBot doesn't have rate alert. Yep. So it's getting better and better. It's free. It's free. Loan Factory IQ is free. Now we go to the marketing feature. We have the Facebook ads feature where you can run Facebook ads in 30 seconds. There's some software out there charge you $300 a month just to use this feature, like Lead Hacker. We have it for you for free. So all you need to do is set up the ads account but after you set it up, you can click here to create a new ads. You will select you want lead form or website traffic. You select the template, what ads you want to run. Let's say $1,000 back here. And you can do it in different language too. You can change the language. And if you want to speak some real language, we don't have it, you can ask our marketing to help you create a new template for you, for your language, for free. We can do that for you. Okay? So let's say you want to run, let's say I want to run Vietnamese, Vietnamese language. And I run this USDA Vietnamese here. I select it. I will enter how much I want to spend a day, $15. I want to spend, and when do I want to end it? How long I want to run this ads, right? I can modify the content of the ads if I want to. I can decide where to run it, what state, what language, and submit it. Done.
That's really cool.
Really easy. And even better, you check the box here. You check the box here. It will allow you to receive a text message if there's a new lead coming in.
Wow.
Okay, I've got another question for you, Tuan.
Yeah.
Apple has just come out with earpods that do real-time translations, real-time. Is there any way to tap into that?
I don't know how we can apply that. I still
Well,
have
it's earpods on your cell phone, your iPhone.
Yes.
And you have a real-time translation. They speak their language. It translates it to English. I speak back, and it translates it back to them.
They release it already?
In real time, yeah.
Isn't that
Okay.
only in person?
Sorry?
Isn't that only in person?
Yeah, I think it's in person.
Well, they have to be on their phone and I have to be on my phone. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
I'm not sure. I have to, but I don't know how to use it. Apple already did it.
It just came out.
Yeah, there's nothing we need to do, right? It's already done by Apple.
Well, I know, but it needs to synchronize with this. We're sending out leads in different languages and they call, right?
Yeah, they call. Yeah.
Okay.
But then we use Zoom phone. They have to somehow support that.
Well, it's earpods. It's earpods. It's not the phone. You have to have
Yeah,
the
yeah.
earpods attached.
Try that. You can try it first and let me know if it's working.
Yeah. I'm planning to.
Yeah. So you receive the text and when the lead arrive, you get notified on the cell phone too. You can use mobile app to call them. So this is the Facebook ads feature. But if you run an ad, you can do website traffic, and these template will create a lead funnel for you, and automatically, and you will get traffic to your lead funnel. We have Google review for you, so we will help you build up. Apply for Google Business Profile, and you can ask for review. And our processor will be the one that asking for 5-star review for you, because they will get a bonus if they do a good job and get 5-star review. So you don't have to do work at all. You still get 5-star review.
Nice.
Yeah. So and you can generate the marketing material and post it on your social media. And so marketing material is amazing. We have thousands of marketing material for you to post. All you need to do is click on it to generate. My internet is kind of slow to load a lot of pictures, but you can click in here to generate the image and post it. It's really easy. Or we have a lot of cool features. First, you can generate this image. You can filter by language, by week, by image type, by loan program. You have different type of images. You can also, for review, you can generate review and post it. You can also generate a fast clear to close loan. Let's say you close a loan in 3 days or 5 days. You can generate the image and post it really fast. So my internet is always slow. I'm planning to do better than this, because now we are talking about AI technology, right? So AI know that when you do a good job, when you close the loan fast, when you get 5-star review, when you close the loan, when you close 5 loans a month, 10 loans a month. So we will be able to post it. We will be able to post it on your social media automatically for you. That's called automated marketing. So we are working on that. Automated marketing, help you with marketing. So here you can generate these images and post it. We have email drip campaign, where you can drip the client based on their holiday, or birthday. You can have follow-up campaign on your clients, like 1 year anniversary, or the loan is missing document. It automatically go out and ask the borrower to complete the application, to upload document. So this is called email drip campaign. We have mailing list. Mailing list is a very cool feature. You know, I have a database of 69,000 Vietnamese. You know, I do a lot of email marketing, and you can use email list to email a lot of your clients. Okay. We have lead funnel and widget. We have subscription and newsletter. These are great feature. And we have academy for you to learn. Academy training here, training academy. We have team and mentorship. So if you are a new loan officer, you can join Loan Factory. If you are new, we expect that you work with a mentor for 5 transactions and split the commission with them. If you don't join a mentor, we will pay you only 80%. So the goal is for you to join a mentor and receive help from the mentor. And you can be a mentor too. If you are good enough, you want to mentor people, you can be a mentor and get paid. So the first 5 loans, the mentor and mentee will split the commission. You can see that we have a list of mentors here available for you. You click on mentor, you see we have a lot of mentors here, and the split is right here. So it's up to you to decide. Okay.
If we want to choose that option, Tuan, do we have to commit to a certain amount of loans, or can we do 1 or 2 or 3 loans and then not have a mentor?
If you are a brand new loan officer, we want you to close 5 loans under mentorship. However, you can switch mentor. Let's say you close 1 loan with 1 mentor and you don't like him or her, you can switch to a different mentor. Yeah.
And that's a requirement. I have to do the 5 loans under a mentorship.
If you are brand new.
Okay. Well, do you think any of my 17 years of real estate broker experience will translate, or is there any gray area?
I recommend you. You look like you are very sharp and you have a lot of real estate experience, so it might be shorter. So
Okay.
yeah, but, the way you talk, you are very sharp. I can tell you. And you already have a lot of experience too. So I think it's worth it to work with a mentor. They help you. Or even better, you can join a team. You can join a team, or you can become a team leader. Later on, if you are so good, you can build your own team.
Yeah.
When you become a team leader, people will join your team. And I strongly recommend the mentee and mentor talk to each other before. Make sure you like each other.
Got it.
Don't get signed up, and then later on you find out that you don't get along well. Yeah. Hello, Craig. Hello, Craig.
I was going to mention, Mike, I kind of felt the same way because I've been doing it for a lot of moons. The point that I'm making here is that there are a lot of tools to learn in the system. As you learn those tools, you'll be able to teach them to other mentees. But if you just hopped out of the gate and hopped in a brand new Ferrari, never drove one before, you probably end up against a brick wall. So the point being is by learning all the tools will make you more efficient and more effective. I know a lot of team members have joined and they haven't gone through all the training. They don't know how to set up rate alerts. They know how to do a lot of the stuff. There's oodles and oodles of great tools to work with. So as you learn those tools, Mike, you're going to be a great master of showing other people how to do it, and people lean on you for it. And I'm sure you're going to do phenomenal here, but to give up a little bit, but it's a cool way of doing it though, I think.
Yeah. No, I believe in mentorship 1000%. I've invested in mentors and have mentors my entire career. So I'm a strong believer and I see the value.
All right. Hey, I like the workout you got going on. We're sitting on our asses and you're running. I like that.
Little walking treadmill action.
No, that's good.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Jerry.
Yeah, sorry, I couldn't get my microphone working earlier. I had to jump out and back in.
Yes.
So I got a few questions. The primary one is that if I understand correct, if we're using a non-correspondent lender and we go with the lender paid option, it's 250 basis points across the board. Is that correct with all lenders?
Yes, with one exception, we see Provident funded.
Okay.
We said it only 1% with Provident funded.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
And is there restrictions on what loan officers can use Provident?
No, we allow you to use any lenders.
How do you maintain your pull-through rate with them? I know that's a big issue with them.
The good thing is the pull-through ratio is on loan officer level. So if you screw up, you get banned by Provident funded. Not
Oh, okay.
the company won't get banned. You are the one who get banned.
If we really like our contract processor, can we continue to use them?
Yes, you have to use, yes, but it's difficult because we have to onboard that contract processor. They have to have the license. They have to have the company. They cannot be an individual who process for you. We will not, the compliant, the processor have to be employee of the company or a licensed third-party processor.
Yeah, licensed third-party contractor.
Yeah, but believe me, their cost is a lot higher. Our cost is a lot less, and we do more. We do more to help you. And most of our loan, almost 99.9% of our loan, we close fast and everyone happy. You don't have to worry about that.
If one is experienced, is there any reason they would want to join a team rather than be independent?
Yeah, I mean, it's up to you. Some people love to work in a team environment. Some people don't, right? So it's up to everyone preference.
Okay.
Yeah. And I love to see people working together. As a team, it's always better. You get more benefit. You help each other.
It is nice to have others to basically ask questions and
Exactly. And
find answers.
when you become a leader, a team leader or a leader, people look up to you and that's good for you. You become a different person. So that's what I see myself.
Are compensations different on different teams?
I'm sorry, Cliff.
Are the compensations different based on teams?
We always pay you 100% minus a flat fee. And when you join the team, of course, you have to pay your team leader some kind of split, right? Could be 5%, could be 10%, or it could be 60%, depend on many factors. For example, let's say Alden is the team leader. He's a rate loan officer. He has a lot of network. He's able to get a lot of realtors send him the business, but he's lazy. He doesn't want to do a lot of work. So he calls you and say, hey, work with me. I give you all the clients. You close them for me and I pay you 40%. And that is a great deal because you don't need to go get the clients. You make 40%. So that's why it's all different. And then some team, on every team, we track who bring in the client. If your team leader bring in the client, you make leader. You or nothing. But if you bring in the client, you can make a lot. And everything depends on the agreement between you and the team leader. So at the company, we don't care. We pay you 100%. What you can split with the team leader whatever way you want. We support you. And when the loan is funded, we will split the commission and pay both of you based on wherever you agree within yourself. Okay. Let's see who's next. Marcos. Hello, Marcos. Let's
Hello?
see who.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so going back to the so because I've been interested well, I've been talking to different mentors this past week. They have different, the different splits. Some of them offer different strategies in order to help me train me. If I wanted to go on my own, it would be 80% the split, right, between me and the company.
Yes. Yes.
And but is that it, or is there anything else I would have to pay other than the flat fee and the 80%?
Nothing else. Nothing else.
Nothing else. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Okay. Sounds good.
Thank you, Marcos. Hello, hi, Chu.
Yes. So so can we set up the different compensation based on different state Like I have 3 stay, so I can
No.
set one is 1%, another 1.5%, another one is 2%, or it must be the same.
I don't understand your question because you already able to change your compensation from loan to loan. So your question is not relevant. Of course you can, because every loan you can change the compensation.
Oh, okay. Because I saw you said in the lender pay, it must be fixed.
Yeah, the lender pay you cannot change. It applies for the whole company. You cannot do anything.
Okay, but for different stay, we can change the compensation.
No, lender pay is fixed for everyone in the company. You cannot change. Nobody can change.
On only borrower pay. Okay.
Yeah. Hi,
Okay.
Mike.
A quick question. Can I do loans for myself? Are there any restrictions against that? If I have, let's say, a few investment properties and I want to refinance, or I want to get a DSCR loan and purchase another property?
Yes and no. You cannot be the loan officer of your own loan, but I can be your loan officer, and I will charge you $500 extra. So the total fee is $1,595.
Got it.
That way you get a good rate, very good rate.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah.
And then I know you said, you have 256, I believe, different companies you work with. You guys have, I saw non-conforming loans, but like specifically like a DSCR loan?
A lot.
Oh,
See, you go to our pricing engine, you click on no income doc. You can select the purchase and then investment. Then you run pricing.
Oh,
you can
perfect.
see great pricing. It will shop around for you. Pricing is really good. It's 6.625. Yeah, right now.
That's pretty good right now.
Yeah, that is only 20% down. If you do 25% down, the rate is even better.
Gotcha.
I think you say you have hard money too, right?
Yeah, all kind of loan. Hard money, commercial, land, mobile home loan.
ITIN loans.
ITIN, no problem. Everything.
One more quick question. Sorry. When you mentioned earlier that we exclude jumbo loans, does that, just because, again, I'm newer to the loan side of things, but does that mean that we can't do any type of jumbo loans?
No, we can do jumbo loan, no problem. It's just that our pricing is a little high.
Got it. Okay.
We cannot compete.
We can do it.
We can do it.
Okay,
and,
perfect.
Because jumbo loan amount is very big, right?
Sure.
So if you want to make it better, you can lower your compensation. You don't have to make 1%. You can make 0.5%.
Yeah.
Because 0.5% of $1 million, $5,000. Not bad.
That's right.
That way you can make the pricing better for your clients.
Yeah, I'm in Los Angeles, so I might run into a lot of jumbo loans here.
Yes.
Properties
And there's some good lender too. You can run pricing on the jumbo loan. You can see some of our lenders are decent too. Not bad.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, Marshall.
Yeah, just Mike, just real quick. I think what you were referring to, Mike, the jumbo loan was when he was talking about the 1,000 guarantee. That's where the jumbo loan doesn't apply with the 1,000 guarantee.
Got it. Thank you for that.
Yeah. Thank you. Hey, Marshall.
Hey, my question was, I just got my license in California, and I heard that you guys might have a different commission for California specifically. Is it capped at 2% or 2.5?
2%.
2%. Okay.
Yeah, but we might change it to 2.5. But that is lender pay. It doesn't matter. It's almost impossible to do 2% in California because of competition. So almost all of your loan in California, you have to either switch to borrow pay and lower it, or you have to send the loan to our correspondent channel. The correspondent channel is the same thing as lender. So we are the lender, and as the lender, we can charge wherever we want to the borrower.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi, Kubaski. I will come back to you later. Hi, Lee. Hello, Lee.
Hey there, just one more question. If I am licensed, as I am in Georgia, and I get a loan referral from an agent, say in Florida, I understand that I can refer that loan to another loan factory loan officer who's licensed in Florida. Can you talk about that a little bit? And then would I have visibility of tracking that loan?
Yeah. So we, as a W-2 loan officer, you can refer loan to the company and we pay you 50% of the commission. You do not need to do anything. Just refer to the company and get paid 50%. This is only available for the W-2 loan officer.
Okay.
And
then, go
I
ahead.
think we do. I try to allow you to have some visibility.
Okay.
But the problem is we're afraid that you will engage in unlicensed activity because you might have relationship or know that clients well, and we're afraid that you will consult with the client. That's what we're afraid. Letting you see what's going on is super easy.
Okay. And so I'd be able to see that through the app?
Yeah, let me write a note and we can allow that. Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Who else? So it's already an hour and 45 minutes. So I guess I really like this section today because a lot of you asked a lot of questions and I like it that way. So I want you to compare Loan Factory versus any other company or even your current company. I don't think any company can come close to Loan Factory level. The way we innovate, the technology, the commission split, 100% minus small flat fee, and all kind of support that we provided to you for free. No one else can come close. So I want you to think really hard for your business, and I hope that you will select Loan Factory. We can be partner, we can help you grow, and I will be the one that helping you as well. I used to be the #1 loan officer in the country, and right now I still one of the top loan officer in the country. So I know what to do. I know, and I can guide you. If you have any question for me, reach out to me. I always available to talk to you and help you. So that is another benefit as well. So one thing I want to share is we are looking to become a lender as well. So if we can become a lender, we have better process and technology. We can close loans really fast, and we can give you better pricing for your clients. And that will help you grow the business even better. So that is the plan I want to share with all of you. And the last thing, we will give our stock, RSU, to the loan officer, just like real estate agent. When you work for Compass or eXp Realty, you get stock option or stock, right? We will do the same. And we plan to roll it out sometime next week.
Wow.
So only if you're producing. Like if you close average one loan a month or something, we'll give you a share. We want everyone to be happy, become owner, and we grow together. That's what we want. The reason that we can do that is because we have the technology. We can scale, we can dominate, and without technology is impossible. So thank you, everyone. I would love to talk to you more if you have any question. And Mike, you are very sharp. I think you have a lot of potential. I would love to chat to you too if you have any question. You must work with Loan Factory. I know you are sharp, very sharp.
Well, it's funny you mentioned that because I use a lot of AI in my business now. And I actually was talking to AI and I let it know about where I'm at in my real estate business and about entering the mortgage business. So I asked ChatGPT, I said, what would be the best company that I should work with on the loan side of things that has the most support, the lowest fees, and that I could have the most impact in? and it actually recommended Loan Factory. So that's how I jumped on the webinar. And then I'm hearing you talk about implementing AI, and I'm seeing all your systems. I'm like, man, this is exciting. I'm looking forward to it. I do have a couple questions. Is it okay if I email it? I have your email. I got an automated one yesterday. Can I reply to that if that's okay with a couple?
Yeah. Reply to that, or reach out to me. My phone number, I can give you my phone number here, 408-444-9999.
And last question, so one of my mentors on real estate investing side of the business, not on my brokerage, but he's also a real estate broker. He's actually a Vietnamese gentleman out of Seattle. His name is Thatch Nguyen. Do you know Thatch by chance?
Yeah, I know him.
So I used to run and manage his sales team for a very long time. So he knows me very well. But I was just curious because I know there's a tight community there, and I love Thatch. We've done a lot of work together. I've helped him scale some of his business very largely.
And one thing I want to share with you when you raise it up, like I see how much realtor and loan officer are suffering out there. Too much competition. There's no guidance. There's no technology. You are on your own.
That's
and
right.
You are suffering. Sometimes you close 1 or 2 or 3 deals. You're happy. Some months you have nothing, and everyone keeps suffering. Even a good and the bright and talented loan officer or realtor still suffer.
Yes.
Because no one guide you. No one show you what to do, and even the top loan officer out there still suffering because you work your butt off. You are a slave. You have to serve your clients. Otherwise, they are not happy with you. They leave you. They threaten you. Hey, and then they call you 11 p.m. You have to pick up the phone and talk. Otherwise, they are not happy with you. So I see that no matter who you are, either you're not producing, or you're producing, or you're a top realtor loan officer, you are suffering. I suffer like that before, so I know all of that. So I build something that can change that. We can give you the life back. We can help you scale. It's not difficult. I've done all of this, so I know. Let's say a scenario. Basically, if you do things systematically, make sure every single client are happy with you, your business is gonna pick up. You know how to get lead. You know how to work with lead. You know how to work with client. You know how to build your reputation. You know how to scale. You know how to use system to help you save time and make it effective. And then you can leverage an assistant, processor, loan assistant. When later on when you are successful, we provide you a loan coordinator to help you. And it's cheap. It's really cheap. We charge only $150.
Wow.
Yeah, you close 10 loans, you pay only $1,500. Nothing. When you close 10 loans, you make a lot of money. So to help you, we know what you need to do so that you can scale. And that is the key. We want to help you. Otherwise, you are struggling. You don't know what to do. I mean, a lot of loan officers out there still try to process their own loan. And that is crazy. How could a loan officer, you are up here and you do paperwork?
Yeah.
An attorney, a doctor cannot do paperwork.
No.
You have to put yourself equally as an attorney or a doctor because you are a professional. You help them buy a $1 million home. People trusted you. You have to show that you are a professional. You are so good that people will work with you. If you show the client that I'm a processor, I process your loan, the client will look at you and think that you are everything and you do little things. You are not someone that I can trust.
Focusing on high-level activities.
Yeah, and then you work as a team. People love you. The consumer love to work with a team because if the processors screw up, they can call you, and vice versa. They have 2 people to reach out to, and then the image of having a team is so powerful. There's a lot of things that people don't know or don't recognize or unwilling to try or not trying. I see all of this, and that's why I want to help all of you. So, hello, Chi, you're the last one. Chi?
Yes, I have a short clarify some question like the loan factory IQ. So that one we only use for the current client or the one that we have the loan for them already, or we can input our information in.
Yes, both. You can
Oh,
have the
good.
existing client and future client, and whoever client want to receive the report.
Okay, great. And then for the Zoom phone, so after we sign up, we can download in our phone. We can use
Do
it,
everything yourself. Yeah.
and then
Okay.
we can use that phone to call to
Yeah.
any phone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for attending my webinar.
Everything.
Please reach out to me if you have any question. Thank you.
Thank
Talk
you.
to later. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.